Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to make flat spiral in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use free add-on, so we can go to Edit and Preferences, and then go to Get Extension, and we can search Extra Curve Object, and then we can click Install to install this free add-on. I close this panel and then go to Add and Curve. Add curve, and then we can find spirals. We can choose Archimedean. Now we have the circle. Now we can go to open the panel, curve spirals, and then we can go to radius growth to increase it. And then we can increase number of turns. And also we can adjust the steps. And also we can adjust the radius. Furthermore, if you want to add the thickness, we can go back to Object Mode and select the spiral, and then go to Object Data Properties, and then go to Geometry. We can find Bevel and increase the depth to add thickness to the spiral curve, and we can fill the cap. So this is how we can make flat spiral in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video.